This is a tutorial video on the recipe of yogurt chicken. Yogurt chicken has less calories and more protein compared to butter chicken. The ingredients used are 2 chopped onions, chopped garlic, ginger, cilantro as a topping, curry leaves, and green chilies. Both cilantro and curry leaves are optional. We are using chicken thighs, yogurt, turmeric powder, and curry powder as well. Curry powder is available in any Indian grocery store. Next, on high flame, drizzle oil into the pot. Then add the chopped onions and stir them for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped garlic, ginger, green chilies, and curry leaves to the mix. Let this cook for 2 minutes at mid-flame. Now we add the chicken, turmeric powder, and 2 spoons of curry powder. Let this cook for 5 minutes and keep stirring the mix. Next we add 8 spoons of yogurt, chili powder, and 1 spoon of curry powder. After you add everything, continue stirring the chicken. Mixing it until the yogurt gets mixed with the spices. Now add salt and let the chicken cook for 3 minutes. Do not add any water to this dish. The chicken will release fat and water of its own. Cover the lid and let the chicken cook for some time. Keep stirring the chicken. Let the chicken cool down for another 2 minutes at low flame. The cooking time depends on how much chicken you're cooking. For best results, it's better to use Greek yogurt. Check the chicken to make sure it's well cooked. Finally, serve the chicken and sprinkle cilantro on top. Enjoy your yogurt chicken with flatbread or rice. Keep in mind that the yogurt chicken is very healthy.